हाँ जी। वेरी वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। कैसे हैं आप सब? हाउ आर यू ऑल? शो योर प्रेजेंस फास्ट। गुड मॉर्निंग हितेश, सिमरन, एनी खान, सिद्धार्थ, पूजा, एनी, बेन रेड्डी, राहुल, गोमेती. Yeah, coming to the same point, Annie, don't worry. In the starting, we shall do the same things. Don't worry. Okay. Anyways, beta, good morning, Sri Ram. Hey Ram. Last day, in the last class, we discussed about the sequence and also about the content. And before starting class, I have already uploaded PDF for you. I hope all of you have downloaded the PDF. Please confirm that you have downloaded the PDF regarding the chapter. I am also fine, beta. Hello, beta. Hariram. Hello, Gayatri. Rahul, Pooja, and all rest of all students. Beta, I hope all of you have downloaded the PDF from your login panel. Please tell me first, please confirm me first that you have the same PDF. I have merged all the questions of IC, respected ICA study material along with the past examination question. And I have also arranged the sequence in which you should study in this question. Yes, sir, downloaded. Yeah. Coming to Karthik, coming to the same, don't worry. Now, I am revising just first. I am just gonna revise all the content first. Okay, beta. Let's give 2 minutes. So, beta. So I have already told you that there are three chapters which we shall do in the sequence. First one is banking, for which we were talking about in the last lecture. And in the case of banking, what I have told you that banking is the business in which we accept the money at lower rate of interest and lend the money at higher rate of interest. This is called banking. And then when these business are being done by the government sector, then these are called banks. In the case of companies, these are called NBFC. Some differences were there. NBFC cannot accept the demand deposit which are payable on demand. Okay, beta. So that's the reason there is no any saving account or current account, etc. Because in that case, there may be a requirement of withdrawal at any time, and which NBFC cannot do. Now, the guiding factors were also there, and types of banks were also there. These were the theory. Anyways, now coming to next point. After that, I told you in the case of Unit 1, all the theories have been given and what the type of the theories are there in Unit 1. Meaning of bank, banking, restrictions, what bank cannot do, etc. Reserve funds, what is the reserve, etc. Listen to me very carefully. Before starting the class, I already uploaded the updated PDF to you, and I told you that, beta, what will be the percentage? I will definitely let you know, but not in the way Hello, students. Sorry for interruption. It was due to net flip. Anyways, coming back to the session, beta. Last day I told you how you will decide in your examination attempt. These percentages are to be applied. It is usual question before the exam, sir. What the percentage we have to apply? Listen to me very carefully. I have already given you the study material, which is of course updated. Okay, the PDF is already updated, and where I have mentioned the percentage is 25%. And in the case of in the case of CRR also, I have given the updated percentage. Those are 4%. Okay, listen to me very carefully, sir. PDF already uploaded 2 days ago. Yes, better sooner. Anyways, but in case of exam, student used to ask. Most of the students are coming to this attempt. Maybe some of the students are watching, which will appear in the next attempt, and maybe more students are also watching, or they will also watch further after some time from this video. How they should decide what the percentage we should apply. Beta, always go for the always go for the RBI site. Always go to the RBI site and check what the percentage is there updated. As in case of income tax, also there is an amendment. In the same way, beta. Wait a minute, Namrata. In the same way, these percentages also used to updated. Now, although RBI had changed this percentage at least 4.5%, although this is the latest percentage, but still our RTP is following this percentage. So we have to adopt this percentage in our coming this attempt exam. Okay, this is the latest, but subject to RTP we have to follow in exam. Please don't use this latest updated in RBI site, this percentage. Please go for the coming attempt examination with this percentage, since RTP is using this percentage. Okay, beta. Maybe in future, in the coming attempt, which students are appearing in the next attempt, watching these videos, those should check first RBI site, and also those should check RTP. Okay, beta. Now coming to next part of the class. Anyways, rest of the section were there in the case of unit 1, 29 to 34A. Please do a plain reading of these units. Now, what I told you, how many types of the questions are there in exam? Question number 1, income recognition type. NPA and PA, performing assets and non-performing assets are decided. Based on them, interest income is decided and provision is also created. So this was the percentage for provision. These percentages also changes, and we have to check again the same sequence. First, you should check RBI side. What is the latest percentage, as I showed you in the last class, and also check RTP first. Okay, but after checking the RBI side, you must check the RTP also. Sir, why we should go to RBI side? Why don't directly we should check RTP? Beta, RTP takes time to come, and you have to do practice. You are not supposed to practice just 1 month before. Okay, so first check the latest percentage from RBI side and do practice accordingly. Revision test papers normally comes approximately 1 or 2 months before the exam. Then check whether the same percentage are being applied in the RTP or no. If so, then your practice is already fulfilled. But still, if percentages change are there, then you have to calculate on calculator at least for your exam. Okay, beta. Now next point is BR discounted, bills for collection, and questions of financial statement. These are the 4 type of question which becomes from this chapter. But the most coming questions are very, very important, used to us, and these also. So in the last class, we did the practice for first type of question, and for that I told you first you have to decide whether performing assets or non-performing assets, and then you have to book your income in the profit and loss account of bank on the basis of the income recognition principle. In case of NPA, you have to recognize the income on cash basis, while in case of performing assets, you can recognize accrual basis. What the type of income bank has usually? Beta, of course, interest, but not only the interest, other incomes are also there, like beer discounted, etc., which we will definitely learn today. Now, coming to the question part, then what we did after that, we started our practice, and I have given you the study. I have given you the PDF in which you found the questions in the proper sequential manner. Okay, beta, listen to me very carefully and please follow those things so that you can get the good marks in very systematic manner. So, see what we did in the last class. Question number one. Question number one, and question number two. All the please give heading to the question so that when you will be in revision mode, then you can get exactly what the question want to practice you. Question number three we did, and question number four we did. Okay, then I gave you homework. Okay, beta, which you have definitely not done. Is this true? Tell me fast. Is this true? No, you have done. That's the reason you are having doubt. Anyways, now coming to the one part of the question which I could not cover in the last class because of first session. Beta, we have our unit number 4 in our study material, which shows in my PDF book, combined book, page number 7.21. Please open the page number 7.21. I will take your all doubt, don't worry. I am able to see that 21 students are watching at YouTube, but they have given only 8 likes. It hurts a lot. Anyway, now coming to next part. Are you ready? First tell me, are you ready? Tell me fast. Everyone, are you ready? Give me a Josh. Tell me fast, beta. ये पराठे चल रहे हैं जल्दी अब जरा मूड बनाते हैं अच्छे से अभी तक तो जो पिछली बातें थी till this we were revising the last session okay beta now please tell me fast are you ready okay yes let's start coming to the same beta don't worry 23 question will be done first don't worry I know where is your doubt I know beta now beta income recognition rules are there in which what I told you that in case of performing assets do accrual basis for booking the income and in case of non-performing assets go for the cash basis and we decided how non-performing assets are decided and we made a chart the type of the assets of the bank please do revision first and then we shall go to the same part of the questions one is performing assets that those are called standard assets and second one is non-performing assets means those are irregular and 90 days has expired non-performing for which type of account we were talking about but we were talking about all types of account for which bank has lent the money bank lends money in different form housing loan for purchasing house business loan term loan LAP loan against property okay the business loan are many types business loans are of different types some of the business loans are unsecured and some of the business loans are secured. Now, coming to the main part of the question number 23 doubt. Beta, what we decided here, what we read here, Non-performing assets means the irregular account. Irregular means those are not paying timely. What are the meaning of not paying timely? If there is an installment system, then those are not paying installment. If there is CC limit or OD limit, CC limit, yes, these are the types of business finance. Overdraft, you have heard anywhere? Yes. In case of bank reconciliation chapter, sir, we have learned. Bank overdraft is the amount which we have overly drawn from our account. Why bank allow? Because bank know that he is genuine customer and he definitely his money will be back. Next, again, the same thing is there with CC limit. CC limit, cash credit limit. Beta, for working capital finance, bank also allow you a CC limit, cash credit limit. These limits are given based on the information about the customer's working capital, which have been blocked by him. Means what he has to receive from debtor and what he have received from creditors. It means if 100 rupees are recoverable and 20 rupees payable, it means businessman has blocked 80 rupees in working capital, and bank usually finance this working capital also. These are called cash credit limit. Listen to me. I'm not going to the depth, but for your purpose, I'm telling you all the things. Okay. So in case of CC limit, bank usually asks the updated stock statement the information about the debtors, creditors, and stock also. What are your working capital at present, for which bank has finance? Usually, it should not be earlier than 3 months. Now, coming to the main point, overdraft limit also. If a bank has debited interest, but customer has not served, has not paid interest part, then these accounts will be treated as irregular. Please now open this page, what I have told you. So in case of income recognition, here is identification of NPA, non-performing assets, means irregular. Yes, beta. There are different type of loan for working capital. Yes, beta, definitely. Business similar to saving account of individual. But those are better current account. Okay, Shira? Anyways, now come to the point. Bank has clarified how RBI has decided. So RBI has issued guidelines regarding this, that in case of normal NPA which you have decided, that irregular plus 90 days, but first you have to decide irregular means the NPA. How you will decide? The bank has given here information. If bank has discounted the bill and the amount is more overdue, remain overdue, exceeding 90 days, then also it is NPA. Then we can say that in case of bills purchased discounted, listen to me, bank has given you money, it means bank has lent you money, for which bank will recover interest. In case of beer discounted, bank used to discount the bill, it after deducting its own interest, the net amount is credited to the customer's account. But the same amount we have to recover now. If the person who is drawing has not paid, then it becomes due. And if overdue remain more than 90 days, then it is called NPA for BR purchase and discounted. Okay, beta. Term loan. In case of term loan, definitely loan word clearly represent the installment system. So installment means interest part and principal part also. Coming to that 23 question, don't worry, but 23 question will be covered based on these things first. Okay, beta. I know only 23 will be pending in the doubts. Anyways, so if installment remain overdue, wholly or partly means if installment is of 50,000, but we have paid 49,000, 1,000 is still, yes, that those are also partly. Okay, beta. And such overdue remain exceeding 90 days, then also it is called NPA, non-performing asset. Please listen to me very carefully. I have practical experience since 2010 regarding bank audit also. So I know what the things usually a students then chartered teacher, and then practicing chartered accountant. They have what all those are having gaps between them. Okay, beta, I will fill all these things to you, sir. But in case of OD account, current account, bank itself debit interest to over account automatically for every quarter. Yes, beta. Then how will you become? How it will become NPA? Your answer is in the next line, beta. Coming to that point. Okay, beta Shriram. Now listen to me very carefully. This is the point which is your answer. In case of limit, whether it is CC limit or OD limit. Okay, beta. Shriram, what you have just written the question is being answered here. Not worry. NPA if become out of order means irregular. Please note here that is irregular. Sir, why we are saying out of order? Beta, bank has financed subject to certain terms and conditions which we have to comply. And if we are not complying the terms and conditions, then definitely we are not in the order. Suppose bank has given and bank the finance and there is a condition. What are the condition? That please send us stock statement timely. Stock statement doesn't mean only for stock. Stock statement means you have to give your updated information about the working capital. Okay, beta, where not only the stock but the debtor and creditor detail will also be being mentioned, so that working capital will be calculated and we will check whether you are enjoying the excess part. If you have invested 100 rupees and we are giving you 120, that means that you are enjoying the excess limit without any interest or charge. So please, first bank check what he requires and accordingly bank sanction the limit, and then check whether the sanction limit is sufficient or excess. If excess is there, then bank check what you deserve. That those are called drawing power limit. What you can draw, even though bank has sanctioned the 100 rupees, 100 crores, but if you have invested your fund in market 80 crore, then bank will not allow you more than 80 crore. But how 80 crore will be decided? Though those totally depends on the stock statement, means information, detailed information about working capital invested by the bank customer, for which bank has finance. Now please see, bank has also given the out of order meaning. Okay, beta, out of order means if outstanding balance remain continuously in excess of sanction limit or DP for continuous period of 90 days. This is the huge focus area in the practical audit life of CA. Means practically, this is usually very important for practicing CA. After being CA, when you will go for the bank audit, this will help you a lot. And this is the question number 23. If bank has sanctioned the limit and stock statement is coming after 3 months, listen to me very carefully. More than 3 months, statements are not allowed. Next point will be the same. See. Next point will be same, that no stock statement will be allowed more than 3 months. There will be, okay, beta. In that case, that will be called out of order. Now, suppose bank has sanction on January 1st. Bank has sanction limit on January 1st, 100 crore. The stock statement maximum can be 3 months or more than 3 months is not allowed. And if 2 month has spent, what is the cutoff date for receiving the stock statement? One month is also available to submit the stock statement to the bank. Sir, please, okay, wait a minute. I will give you these things in the same manner in which you should see. This is bank and this is customer. Who is what? Who is businessman? and bank allowed bank allowed him that you can withdraw 100 crores. If you want, then you can use 100 crores for your working capital purpose, because that customer has blocked his 100 crore funds based on the sanction date information which customer has provided, that I have invested my working capital in market 100 crore. Now bank has sanctioned the limit 100 crore. Now after 3 months, 3 months is cutoff date. 90 days means 3 months is cutoff date when stock statement will be submitted, means latest working capital information will be submitted to bank. But before that, customer used full 100 crores. Beta quarterly, yes. Although these are submitted monthly, but last maximum to maximum is quarter. Okay, beta. These are the as per sanction terms. Okay, beta. Sanction letter is there and terms are there. Okay, beta. Hitesh. Now coming to point. If he has used full 100 crores, then definitely sanction limit and drawing power used is also 100 crore. Now he is submitting that my working capital now updated as per the latest stock statement is now 90 crores, which is in market. I have blocked my fund now updatedly 90 crores. Rest of the funds has recovered from the market. Now bank will say that I have sanctioned you, don't worry, you can use 100 still. No beta. Bank will say that you must submit immediately 10 crores. 10 crores should be back or not. Tell me fast. I am waiting for your answer. I am waiting for your answer, beta. If bank has sanctioned 100 crores and customer has used 100 crores, now as per the latest information, his blocked money has released 10 crores and he has recovered their investment in working capital 10 crores. And now, as per latest information, his money blocked in the working capital is only 90 crore. Now, bank will recall or not? Definitely. So, beta, bank based on the latest information decide drawing power limit, DP limit. It is called DP limit, drawing power limit, DP limit. Okay, beta. Now, now, in the next month, but he can enjoy sanction limit or drawing power limit based on the latest information, 100 or 9 crore, 90 crore, whichever is less, of course, that is 90 crores. Okay, beta. So if he has not submitted the excessively used fund, then definitely it will be out of order. Also, one more thing is there, for the 100 crore, bank is charging the interest which is debited to his account, because bank will debit the customer account debit to income. If that customer is still not able to clear that interest in the account, then also it is called out of order. See, this is the written here. Outstanding remain continuously in excess of the sanction limit, DP limit, for 90 days prior to the balance sheet. Means at the balance sheet date, we have to decide whether 90 days has over or not. Based on that, we decide performing or non-performing. So that will be non-performing if he has utilized the excess sanction limit. Okay, beta. Now, though the outstanding balance is less than the sanction limit, there have no credit for continuous period of more than 90 days. Also, one more thing is there. If outstanding amount which you have utilized by the customer, those are although within the limit 90 crore, but there is no any credit in the account for more than 90 days, It means customer is dealing with another bank and taking the loan from us. Then also it is called out of order. But you have not to note these things for exam. These are for practical life. But what you have to do is this one. This is your main in question number 23. See, credits in account are not enough to cover interest debited during the period. If bank has charged interest, it means bank will recover interest. And if customer has no deposit means in the customer account credited the amount even to cover interest, then also it will call out of order. I am giving you an example. This is the example of ICI. Suppose sanction limit is 60 lakh and DP limit is 50 lakh. Amount outstanding continuously from this one to this one. Then we have to decide whether 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 these are NPA or not. Okay, beta. Now see, interest debited how much? 3 lakh 42,000. But interest credits in the account, interest credited only 125. It means credits in the accounts are not sufficient even to cover interest. Okay, beta. It means customer has not paid interest properly timely. And if such default, such out of order account continuously more than 90 days, then also it is called NPA. Okay, beta. Sir, if 90 days are not completed in financial year 2021, but completed in 21-22, then for 2021 it will not be NPA, but for 21-22, if still till 31st March 2022, thus default continue, then only then that will be continue as an NPA for next year. But for first year it will not be NPA. Okay, beta, Namrata. Now, so now tell me question number 23. Okay, beta. Now coming to your question number 23. Except this, all rest of the question I think you have done. 23. Oh, 23. Not 23. 25. First we shall go for 25. See, case number 1 is there. 23 also we shall do. Don't worry. Good morning, beta. So, very late. Okay. Beta, amount deposited represents Shriram. Okay, beta. So everyone, please tell me. I am waiting your Okay, now we are back. Anyway, beta, yes. 90 days from the due date. Okay, Namrata, from the due date. Now, please see what he eligible in case of case one. Sir, he is eligible 56,000, whichever is less, 56 lakh. But what amount he is enjoying? Is he enjoying the excess limit? No, he is not enjoying the excess limit. He is eligible for 56 lakh. And what the amount he is enjoying? 48 lakh. It means he is not enjoying excess limit. Okay, beta? Now, next. What the amount interest debited to his account? That is 3 lakh 84,000. Is there any amount which he has deposited into his account which can be said that credited in his account? Answer is no. In the case of case one, no amount of interest has been credited. It means in this case he is NPA. Now coming to case number 2. 45 lakh is sanction limit and 42 lakh is the drawing power limit, of course, as per latest stock statement. Now, what is the amount he is eligible? 42 lakh. 42 lakh. What the amount of interest debited to his account? 2 lakh 40,000. 2 lakh 40,000. Has he deposited interest part or not? 3 lakh 20,000. He has deposited. Yes, of course, he has deposited, credited the same amount. It means interest amount. See, credits during the aforesaid period are not enough to cover the interest. No, this is not the situation. It means he is not NPA, he is PA, means performing assets. Okay, beta. Now, 90 days will be carried from the date of sanction or when? From the date it becomes out of order, beta. From the date it becomes out of order, Siddharth. Okay, beta. Out of order means he is enjoying excess limit or the interest amount is not there sufficiently recovered. Okay, beta. Siddharth. Now coming to next question. The question number 23. I think someone was asking question number 23. So please take this question also. Okay. Beta, please see question number 23. Question number 23. Is there any doubt in question number 23? Let me know first. Coming to ECG point now. Don't worry, ECGC. Coming to the same point. Is there still any doubt? Question number 23. I don't think so. There should be any doubt. But still, if anyone is asking, then please let me know. Waiting for your answer, beta. See, this is what standard. In case of standard, what we decided in the last class, see, the percentages we have noted here was how much. See, in case of standard assets, if secured part is there, then no doubt. No doubt. Okay. Okay. If there is no any doubt, then okay, I am moving to the next part of the session. Okay, beta. Now coming to the next part of the session. Please note down carefully. Okay, instead of being note down, I am telling you all the things from here. See. As you know, insurances are always there. Yes, sir. We have listened about the insurances. What you are telling us? Okay. There are two type of insurance are there. No, sir. Question number 23 is like any other question. Okay, beta. Yes. Okay. Please note down. There are two type of insurance for the amount which you have deposited. If you have deposited 1 crore in your bank, after being CA, you are earning and you are enjoying the amount in bank. Suppose you have deposited into bank, and if any bank by chance failed, then will that amount will be given back to you or not? It totally depends on insurance, how much amount you will be returned back. Okay, beta. It is approx 5 lakh right now. And what are the agencies? Those are giving the conditions. Beta, see, this is also type of insurance. Okay, beta. In case of ECs, what is the full form of ECGC? Please note down. ECGC. And DICG. Please note down carefully. Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. This is the full form. And Deposit Credit Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation. But this is the full form. Now listen to me very carefully. Beta, what I am telling you here is these are the guarantees given to bank on behalf of customer. By these two guarantees, bank can recover their amount. Bank can recover their amount. How bank will decide the provision to be made? Yes, sir. Yes, beta. Both are in books. Don't worry. How will you decide the percentage? Please note down. Statement. Statement. DICGC. Yes. DICG. Okay. Yes. Anyway, statement showing calculation of provision in case guarantees are also there. Beta, see, all the things we are discussing here have been taken from RBI. What I told you last day, RBI circular. Wait a minute. See. Okay. Okay, note. I will show you later. Beta, total balance outstanding in loan account. How much is amount? Suppose these are 10 lakh. Suppose. And customer has provided the security and realizable value of security provided by security given by customer to bank. Suppose this is 2 lakh. First bank will reduce. Okay, continue. First bank will reduce this security, this realizable amount from security. Then bank will check what is the amount which is not able to recover if customer fails. To promote the business, Government has organized different schemes. Beta, in this case, if cover of guarantees ECGC, ECGC oblique DICG cover says that 50% 50% is insurance is there. It means 4 lakh will be recovered from insurance to bank. It means less. What is the amount which will remain uncovered, unsecured, which can be said that this is what this is unsecured part. Unsecured part. How much amount is there? 4 lakh. Okay, beta. First, we have to reduce the security part of assets which have been made available by the customer to bank. Then we have to check what is the total amount remain other than security provided by customer. On that, ECGC or DICG cover percentage to be applied. Okay, beta. Now, see, take a question. Take a question. Take a question. Wait a minute. Yeah. I think some problem is there. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Please see question number 6 of book. I'm opening here. Please see question number 6 of book. First, please. Question number 6. Question number 6. I'm also opening here. Wait a minute. System is being hang, I think. So, yes, now it is available. Now it is available. Question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. Coming to you. Question number 6. Yes. So, beta, outstanding balance is how much? Outstanding balance is how much? 6 lakh. How much balance is there which is outstanding in the customer account? This is what? This is 6 lakh. Okay, 6 lakh. Now, ECGC cover available is 50%. The period for which customer is in doubtful category of advance, those are how much? More than 3 years. Okay, beta. And value of security available is 1,50,000. Listen to me very carefully. We have to prepare a table. Please give a heading answer number 6. Beta, in case of question number 6, how we shall present your answer in exam? Please note down simultaneously. Statement showing calculation of provision. Statement showing calculation of provision. How the provision will be calculated for NPA in case of these type of things. Okay, beta. How much amount is outstanding? See, outstanding amount is there. These are 4 lakh. Okay, ji, 4 lakh. Outstanding loan amount in customer account is 4 lakh. First, we shall reduce guarantee cover or security. It will be first security cover. Sorry, security given by customer to bank. Okay, beta. First, we shall reduce value of security, realizable value of security, realizable value of security given to bank. How much is the amount of the security available to bank? Beta, this is 1.5 lakh. Please keep in mind the realizable value will be reduced, not the book value. Okay. So 1.5 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000 will be the amount that will be reduced from here, and then balance amount will be found out. Okay, beta, how much is the amount? 2 lakh 50,000, and then we shall reduce the cover part by ECGC or DICGC. Okay, beta, covered part. How much is the amount that has been covered? These are 50%. ECGC cover is there. Okay, so we shall write here ECGC. How much is 50%? Okay, G. It means insurance is there for 1,25,000. Beta, it means bank will be in unsecured situation. Unsecured part of such loan for bank will be 1,25,000. First, we have to decide what is the secured part or unsecured part in case partly secured loan is there, and for rest of the part some percentages are being secured by ECGC or DICGC. Okay, beta. Please tell me first, up to this clear or not? Waiting for your answer. I am waiting for your answer. Please let me know fast. Tell me fast. Waiting for your answer. Up to this clear or not? Up to this clear or not? Better tell me fast. Clear, sir. Okay, understood. Everything clear. Clear, sir. Okay, beta. Now, how bank will calculate percentage? How bank will calculate provision in such case? Beta, see. Total amount is there. Total amount is there. Total amount is there. That is 4 lakh. Of this, see, this is what? This is doubtful or not? Tell me fast. You know, advances are doubtful or not? Yes, crystal clear, sir. Okay, beta. Sir, could you please repeat BCG treatment once again? Beta, that is on BCG, ECGC. Okay, ECGCC, ECGC or DIGC, CGC. Okay, beta. Those are like guarantee. Okay, beta. Guarantee based on percentage of the amount. Okay, I am repeating the same, don't worry. First, we have to reduce the security given by customer, the realizable value. Okay, beta, Purnima. After that, we shall find in exam, in our question, the balance part after reducing the security given by customer. Okay, then on that percentage will be applied. 50% or 40%, 30% as per the percentages given in question. Only then you will find that both of these are secured part. See, these are what? These are secured part or not? Yes, sir. Will we do in the same way in the question? No, beta, don't write such a type of thing. These are only for clarifying. Okay, beta. This is what? This is unsecured part. Okay, beta, 1,25,000. So I am dividing this 4 lakh into 3 parts. See, this is doubtful or not? Yes, this is what? This is doubtful. Doubtful means these are substandard. In case of substandard, up to 1 year, and after that 1 year, it comes in doubtful. You know, wait a minute. I'm going to revise you. See, these are the things which you have covered in the last class. Please revise that chart. Please revise that chart. so that you can able to connect. See, if everything is okay, then it is called regular or standard. If everything is not okay, then it is called irregular. If such irregularity more than 90 days, if up to 90 days, then it is still standard. After 90 days, such will be treated as non-performing. In case of non-performing, up to first year, these are called substandard. Okay, beta. After that, these becomes doubtful. And doubtful, in doubtful also, there are some category. In case of NPA, if doubtful are there more than 1 year, up to etc. etc. Unsecured part, 100% provision will be there. If secured part is there, then for the secured part, the provision will be made up to first year 25%. After 1 year, if doubtful outstanding is more than 1 year but up to 3 years, then percentage will be on secured part 40%. And if more than 3 years, then will be 100%. Please revise table always. Anyways, now coming to the question. So, beta ji, first secured part is here. Secured part is here. How much is secured? Sorry, unsecured part. First, decide unsecured part. Unsecured part is here. That is 1,25,000 on which you have to make provision 100% since more than 3 years. Doubtful means 1,25,000. Next one is second part is secured part. In that case, secured part, what you have to prepare provision only for this part. Okay, beta, because government has already covered for the same for 125. So for 150,000 part, which is not under the coverage of government, for which you have to prepare provision, and since it is more than 3 years, so 100% provision will be there. So this is the amount which you have to calculate as a provision. How much is the amount? 2,75,000 is amount which you have to provide in the books as a reserve for bad debt as a provision. So waiting for your answer. Is this okay to you or not? Clear or not? Please tell me first. Very good, Rahul. Waiting for your answer, beta. Please tell me first. Waiting for your answer, beta. And who? Okay. Sir, in first year after being NPA substandard, am I right? Yes, beta. And doubtful also 1 to 3, etc. etc. categories are there. Beta, please do practice first. Now we shall do question number 7. Please do this question number 7. Waiting for your answer, beta. Question number 7 is clear to you or not? I want to utilize your time in the efficient manner because tomorrow will be the last lecture for this session. Maybe further also 1.5. Okay, beta. So please, I want to communicate you all, beta. Since I have limited time, so I can do practice with limited questions. Please do this from directly from book. Outstanding balance is 4 lakh. Yes, 4 lakh. What we shall reduce? First, we shall reduce security part. Okay, beta. Remember, not book value, only the realizable value security will be reduced. Yes, sir. Thank you. Super clear. Okay, beta. Clear, sir. Are my chatting reaching to you? Prabhas, not reaching. Just saw your message, beta. For ECC cover, there is no provision. No, beta. Because that is government security. Don't worry. If government is saying, then government is saying. Don't worry. Okay, beta. So first, we shall reduce the value of security. Remember, realizable value only. Beta, how much is realizable value? That is 80%. So 1,50,000 multiplied by 80%, 1,20,000. We shall reduce. After that, we will find the unrealized balance part. Okay, beta. On that balance part, ECGC percentage will be applied 50%. So the unsecured part will be there only 1,40,000. And you know, outstanding amount is how much? This is doubtful or not? Yes. So first, see the table. Doubtful, doubtful up to 1 year, more than one, but up to 3 years, and more than 3 years. Okay, beta. So more than 3 years are there, and in case of doubtful, more than 3 years, you have to prepare the provision, calculate the provision in the percent. So beta, please do the practice in this manner. This is the last question for this topic. I am practicing with you due to time limitation, so that I can manage the full chapter in the limited lectures. Now, please see provision for unsecured part, definitely 100%. Okay, beta, on this 100%. Now, there are two secured part. On which part we have to prepare provision? Only the part which have been secured by the customer based on the given security. On government, you cannot suspect. So you are not creating the provision on government secured part. Okay, beta. Anyways, so on 120 lakh, you have to prepare since more than 3 years are there, so 100% provision. Okay, beta, even though it is a secure. So in this way, total provision comes out here 2.6 lakh. So please do practice. I am giving you homework for this. What are the questions regarding this? ECGC cover. Question number 5. Homework. Question number 5. Okay, I have already given you. Okay, okay. Now, rest all the question belonging to such topics are homework. Okay, beta. Very, very good. Very, very good. Most of the students are there who are doing practice simultaneously. Very, very good. And they are answering in very efficient manner. Anyways, now I want to come to the next topic. But as you know, before coming to next topic, always there must be a break. So there is a break of 5 minutes. And after 5 minute break, I will start the new topic of this chapter. Okay, beta. Break. So please start. Hello, बच्चों. Let's start. Are you back? Please let me know for fast. Please show your presence, बच्चों. Okay, I am in. Shriram, I don't think so. There was any query from your side, beta. Just got your message. Total interest debited and total interest credited once again. Okay. Beta Shriram. Total interest debited means customers के account में debit हुआ बेटा. In customer accounts, bank has charged. Okay बेटा. And credits means customer has deposited. In that case, bank has credited to his account. It means customer has deposited the interest part or rest part. Okay beta. Shriram. Now beta, first you note down properly homework of ECGC, DC, DICGC. This part, these are the questions belonging to the same part. Okay beta. Now next one is yes, please note down carefully. Now coming to next part, beta. First part we have practiced. First type of question we have already practiced. Now coming to next type of questions, bills receivable discounted. Okay beta. And bills for collection. These are the two topics. First we shall cover these and then later on. Okay beta. Anyways, now BR discount. BR discount. See, bills receivable discounted. Please note down BR heading, give heading BR discounted. You already know what does it mean by BR, bills receivable. So I am not going to the concept in so much of detail about the BR. Just giving you some small recap. See, beta, there are three persons. One is customer of bank. Okay, bank customer. Okay, see, this is what? This is bank. And this is what? This is drawing. This is drawing. And this is what? Customer of bank is also the drawer who has drawn bill on drawing. Please give me word. We are ready, sir. Then we shall proceed. Fast, beta fast. Please give me words. We all are ready, sir. We are not taking parathas and etc. We are enjoying the lecture. We are not taking the parathas etc. We are totally focused on study. Beta, please give me words. You are ready? Are you all ready? When ready? Are you eating dosa? Please don't. During the class, it is not allowed. Okay, when ready? I have not received even a single message after good morning. It means you are definitely eating dosa. Please skip that for some time. You have full day, beta. Yes. Okay. Now please see, beta. What we do here? Customer give BR, bills receivable, which he has received from drawee, and then it is, suppose it is 1 lakh, and BR given by customer to its bank, handed over to bank, handed over to bank, that please bank collect it on the due date. If he doesn't need money, then it is called bills handed over for collection. Okay, there are two things. There are two things. One is BR discounted. Second one is bills for collection. Bills for collections, acceptance, endorsement. Okay, beta. Listen to me very carefully. If such bill was handed over, that please go on the due date and deposit the money after recovery from drawee into my account. No dosa, sir. Okay, beta, when ready. So this will be called bills handed over to bank for collection. So there is a topic, bills for collection. We shall also do accounting in that case. But first we shall cover the same thing which you already know, BR discounted. So in case of BR discounted, what is the difference? Okay, let me copy first so that we can utilize this thing, the same chart later on. So I am copying this so that wait a minute. Just a minute. I will use the same thing later on. So I have copied here. Now coming to next. Beta, first we shall cover the BR discounted. Beta, in case of BR discounted, we hand it over to bank, not hand it over. We give our BR to bank, and bank give us money in our account. Bank credit in our account after reducing the interest. Suppose interest part is there. That is 4,000. Okay, so bank will credit 96,000 to our account. This is called BR discounted. BR discounted. When customer had discounted its own bill, it means they have sale. It means customer has sale its own bill receivable at discount. Okay, beta. But discount is interest for bank. Bank doesn't use the interest word. Bank also use the word discount. What we did in foundation, here we did entry in the books of customer, and what was the entry we have done here? Bank account debit, because the account is credited, not the cash is transferred to us in our hand. Cash is not given, but the amount is transferred to our bank account. So that's the reason we were doing the bank account debit. Bank account debit, discount account debit to BR, bills receivable in the books of customer. We did this. On the due date, customer, the drawee honor the bill, and bank doesn't question to us. If otherwise, in case of BR dishonor, bank debit us again, and we debit the drawee. Now coming to next part. Now it is the banker side. We have to learn here, not the customer side. What in the books of bank? In the books of bank is having the income. This is what? This is income for bank. Income for bank. And definitely bank will credit this income to its own profit and loss account. Of course, in the profit and loss account, I have selected some questions for you, don't worry. Income for bank, and bank will credit in profit and loss account, its own profit and loss account. We are discounted case, bank will collect from drawee on the due date. Yes, beta. So please make the second drawer happy. Shaitan. Rahul is saying that please make the second drawer is not there, beta. That is drawee. That is drawee. That is drawee. And this is what? This is drawer. Okay, beta. Okay. In the next chart you are seeing. Okay, beta. So this is what this is income for bank. And after that, what we shall do here is, beta, bank will record this income. Bank will record this income its own P&L account. He will transfer this income to his own P&L account. There are this is the way bank prepares its own profit and loss account. See, income and expense, and then after reducing the expense, this is what this is profit for bank, from which he used to reduce the provisions, as we already discussed. And also, anyways, now coming to next part. Wait a minute. Some appropriation provision are there. Anyways, see, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then say yeah, no schedule is there. Please listen to me very carefully. 13, 14, 15, 16. This is for what? There are two types of income for bank, and there are two types of expense for bank. Please listen to me very carefully. There are two types of income for bank, and there are two types of expense for bank. In this case, what we do here is, beta ji, what we do here is, see, bank transfer this income and other interest income to this. This is called interest income. Okay, and this is called interest expense. So first we have to understand how bank prepare profit loss account. Okay, beta. Rest all other expense and other incomes are recorded in this way. Other incomes and other means operating expense. It means other than expense. Sir, expense is interest is the expense or income for bank. Beta, bank when pays interest on deposited amount, okay, then it is expense for bank. And when receive interest from the loan given to the party, then it is called income. Okay, beta. Now see, these are the schedule number for bank. This is the format of P&L for banks. Okay, beta. And some provisions are there. For which no schedule number has been assigned. Provisions, all the provisions, like for income tax act, provision for income tax, for NPA, all the provisions are made here. Please listen to me very carefully. After that, it comes profit, net profit, then opening balance of last year is added. See, after that, when total profit comes collected, then some appropriations are there. Appropriations. Since I cannot give more lectures, so I am telling you with linking all the things. Please connect the things systematically in this way. Some appropriations are there. First mandatory appropriation is SLR, statutory liquidity reserve. See, there are two things. One reserve percentage is for statutory liquidity reserve. Bank has to maintain some statutory liquidity reserve. That is 25%, of course. Even if in question it was not given, then we have to apply here appropriation of 25%. Okay, beta. And if question says other reserve as per given in question, then we shall also appropriate accordingly After that, the dividend part comes out. Bank is also a company, so he will so bank will also pay dividend. Okay, beta. So while this profit total is kept here, then it is systematically divided into four parts. The rest part is closing balance, that is called transfer to transfer to reserve and surplus. Okay, beta. Next year it becomes opening balance brought forward from the last year. Okay, beta. In the same way as in the current year. Please tell me first, this is clear or not? By this, I have also informed you, I have also told you about the profit loss format. Please tell me this clear or not. Now I am coming to the discount, we are discounted part. Beta, there are two forms. As like in case of schedule third, in the case of company 2013, part 1 and part 2 are there. Part 1 for balance sheet, part 2 is for statement of profit loss. In the same way, here we says form A, form B. First form A is for balance sheet part, and this is for form, this is called form B part. Okay, beta. Now, since bank has to transfer its discount part, BR discount part, interest part, all the things to income account, then how bank record these incomes? How bank record these incomes in its own book? Like BR discount is there. Okay, beta. So how bank will record? Beta, see, bank will record in this way. In the books of bank, bank will record BR discount in this way. See, bank will say, bank has in the books of bank. Please note down, in the books of bank. If you are not able to note fastly, then you can postpone the noting and you can later on, like you can note down later on from the video. बस इतना ही है था. Yes, beta. That's the reason I told you. Otherwise, especially I will take time. Then definitely it will be some boring. Okay, beta. Now balance sheet part is pending. Don't worry. We shall do practice. Okay, beta. In the books of bank, when customer discount its bill from bank, we are discounted is called. Then in the books of customer, we have learned, yes, in the books of bank, but how bank record its entry. Okay, beta. In that case, bank says that BR is coming. Yes, debit what comes in. Bank will say BR, no. Instead of using word BR, because it is not BR for bank. Bank has purchased such BR. So bank is using the word bills discounted and purchase. Since bank has discounted the customer bill and purchase the BR, so bank uses the word bills discounted and purchase. Suppose 1 lakh is the amount of BR for which bank has given in the customer account, means bank has credited customer account, means to customer account 96,000, and rest bank will record as his own income, which is called discount income. Discount income. That is 4,000. Okay, beta. Please tell me first, is this clear to you or not? Is this clear to you or not? Second entry. On the due date. On due date. Beta, if we say due date, then it is not the due date. It is maturity date. That means after adding the grace days. Okay, beta. Even though we say it as due date, but it is called maturity date. Just for your reference, because you have learned all the things in the CA foundation. Okay, beta. On the maturity date, there may be two cases, either it is dishonor or honor. If honor, then bank has recovered. Yes. How bank will record? Bank will record in this way: bank account debit, because bank has received its own money 1 lakh, and bank will credit what goes out, bills purchased if honored. Okay beta, purchased and discounted. When will bank will credit this account? Okay beta, ये कब है? जब ओनर है. सर कैन यू प्लीज टेक वन सम ऑन दिस? वी आर जस्ट अबाउट टू डू प्रैक्टिस, डोंट वरी. First, I will make you understood the detailed concept. Okay, beta, these entries have not been given our study material, but I am telling you in detail. Beta, without this detail, you cannot be able to answer the questions in with confidence. Okay, beta. So, if honor on the due date, how the entry will be done in the books of bank? Beta, Siddharth, are you clear with this, with the view what I have given you? If honor on the due date, how bank will record? Bank will recover amount, and bank will also recognize its income. How income will be recognized? Discount income will be debited. Discount, I am doing entry here so that you can able to see all the entries together. Discount income will be transferred to P&L account. All 4,000 amount has been earned by bank. Very, very simple, 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 very, very simple, simple, simple. Clear, clear, clear. Okay, beta. Okay, very, very easy. Very, very easy. Okay. If dishonor, by drawing, then how will you record? in this way? Customer. Wait a minute. I'm inserting a page here. Wait a minute. In that case, if dishonored, then bank will debit the customer account. It means customer account will be debited for how much amount? 1 lakh or 96,000? You are bank. I am waiting for your answer. If you are bank and I am your customer, what amount will you debit to me? Give me answer fast. If you are able to understand all the things in proper manner, then definitely you will answer clearly. Waiting for your answer, beta. Although I have limited lecture, but still I cannot compromise with the base things. So please tell me fast, beta. Waiting for your answer. What is your answer? How much amount should be debited to the customer? Will bank say, leave interest? If you are not getting the money, then I will also sacrifice my interest. Tell me first, 96,000 or 1 lakh? Those who have answered 1 lakh is correct. But those who have answered 96,000, please update. Beta, 4,000 interest will be charged from customer. Okay, beta? So bank will debit them for 1 lakh. Not only the 96,000 which bank has allowed him to use, but also interest part also that will be recovered from the customer. Customer account debit to bills purchased and discounted. If the person denied, then bank will hand it over back to the customer. Bills purchased and discounted. 1 lakh rupees. Okay, beta. Now, coming to the income part. In that case, also income will be same. The same entry will be for income. Since bank will not sacrifice its income, bank will definitely earn income because bank will debit the customer account instead of receiving the bank account. Okay, beta. Customer account debit to bills payable. No bills payable, beta. We are discounted. Yes, if noting charges are there, then definitely those will also be debited. But since he is the regular customer of bank for which bank provides such facility, normally bank need not to go for the noting charge. Bank clearly debit the interest amount, and it will be the customer who will go for the noting charge. Okay, beta. If noting charges are there, definitely those will also be debited to the customer account mandatory. Okay, beta. Now, so sir, is there anything which is pending in this topic? Yes, beta. One thing is there. Tell me first. I will wait for your answer. This is a year which start from 1st April 2000. For your exam, it will be okay. 2021, 31st March 2022. See what I'm telling you. If bill is there for 3 months, these are 3 months. Listen to me very carefully. You know, negotiable instrument cannot more than 90 days, 3 months as per Negotiable Instrument Act. Yes, sir. If bill was there and for which bank received 4,000 rupees income, 4,000 discount earned income, can I change this amount? Instead of 4,000, I want to use 3,000 beta. I want to use 3,000 beta, so that there may be some different in example. Okay, beta. I am changing the discount amount now 3,000. Beta, it was January 1st when bill was discounted. So bank charged to customer 3,000 and rest amount has been credited to his account. First, tell me, question is clear to you or not? Please give me answer. Question is clear to you or not? Please stop the parathas, etc., etc. Waiting for your answer. Please tell me. Question is clear to you or not? I am changing here the discount income amount 3,000. Bank has discounted customer bill on January 1st and 31st March 2022 is the year closing date. Waiting for your answer, beta. After that, I shall proceed. Sir, repeat. Yes. Sir, clear? Not eating parathas. Okay, Prabhas. So, Rahul, listen to me again. Okay, beta. This is the financial year for bank, yes, which start from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2022 is the ending date of financial year. Customer comes to bank and discount its bill on January 1st. This date is January 1st. This date is January 1st, 2022. And customer had discounted the bill, which cannot be more than three months. It means, suppose 3 months bill was there, means bank will go to drawing and recover the full amount after the 3 months on maturity date. Is this clear to you? Question is clear to you or not? Please tell me again. Some of the person were facing the network issue. As you know, the running season is there, so maybe there. Please tell me first. Question is fully clear to you or not? After that, I will proceed. Namrata, Prabhas, and more students. Please tell me. Question is clear to you or not? Clear. Okay. Now tell me, beta. In which year bank should record its income? Of course, bank will record income in financial year 2021 to 2022. Bank will record income 3,000 in the P&L account, and this income will be transferred to P&L account fully 3,000. But what happens? But what happens if such thing occurred? Means I will give this example a number. This was example number 1, and this is now I am going to discuss with you all example number 2. If this bill was not discounted on this date, if this bill was discounted, if this bill was discounted on February 1st, then how will you record this income, and how much amount will be recorded as an income in the financial year 21-22? Benedict, giving you, showing your chammach, spoons. It means you are enjoying. Anyways, beta, tell me fast, how much amount should be transferred to the current year profit loss by bank? Waiting. How much amount should be transferred to P&L by bank? Can you please tell how much amount? And bill was of 3 months. How much amount? Okay, tell me the date when the bank can go to the customer. Sir, bank can go to customer only after 3 months on the maturity date, and that will be 30th April, along with free grace days. That will be 3rd May. On that date, bank will go and recover, but the recovery amount will be for 3,000 also. That will be income over the period. How much amount should be transferred to P&L? 2 students answered 3,000, and 2 students answered 2,000. Okay, rest of the student has answered 2,000. Absolutely correct. The current year income belongs to the current period only. So this 3,000 is the income for 3 months or not? Yes. So in the current year, only 2,000 income will be transferred. Okay, beta. But how this will be presented? Beta, there is presentation for this. How that is presented? This is in this way. First, they transfer in the P&L discount, earn, discount income, that is 3,000. Then they reduce the unaccrued income in for the current year, because this is not the income belonging to current year. So unaccrued discount income is reduced 1,000. In this way, 2,000 is calculated, and in the liability side 1,000 will be presented. Beta, I am giving you one more word. Please listen to me very carefully. What is the word? Beta, bank use a different word for unaccrued income. That is called, I am cutting this and writing the word which bank use. That is rebate on bill discounted. Rebate on bill discounted is the word being used by bank to represent its unearned income, advance income, unaccrued income, whatever you know in the foundation. So in our exam, it is clearly given as rebate on bill discounted closing balance. Either we have to calculate or bank will give it clear to us. Okay, beta. Now, if I would like to say that this is the closing balance of, this is what? Closing balance of rebate on bill discounted account. Is this clear to you all or not? Please let me know first. Beta, please tell me fast. After that, I will proceed further. Step by step, we shall cover all the things. Please tell me fast. Clear till this or not? Then we shall practice question. Don't worry, we have the question in our study material. But those question belongs only to calculation, not for the accounting. Okay, beta. Please tell me fast. Clear till this or no, sir? It means an income received in advance by bank and shown in the liability of balance sheet. Yes, beta. Shriram, you are absolutely right. Clear till this. Okay. Okay. Let's move further. What happens in next year? What happens in next year? But after this, next year comes for the bank, and that is what? This is also another year. Yes, I will say this is opening balance of rebate on bills discounted. You will definitely learn if you will do all the things slowly in this topic. Super clear, sir. All clear. Okay, beta. So how much is the amount which have been shifted from the sent from the last year? Go. You are not the income of current year. You are the income of next year. That is financial year 22-23. So how much is the amount? That is 1,000 which have been postponed by saying an accrued income, by saying closing balance of last year on rebate on bill discounted. That means opening balance for the current year. Now again, bank has again earned discount during the year in many discounted bill. So discount during the year on BR discounted during the year, on BR discounted during the year, during the year. How much is amount? Suppose during the year amount totally discount earned, totally discount income on the BR discounted by the bank is suppose it is 17,000. Let's suppose. And again, some of the closing balance of rebate on bill discounted, rebate on BR bills discounted is there. And suppose that is 2,500. Then what will be the amount which is to be transferred to P&L by the bank in the next year? Can you please tell me? Can you please answer? Waiting for your answer. Waiting for your answer, beta. Can you please answer this question? What will be the amount which is to be transferred to the P&L account in the next year as a discount income? Waiting for your answer, beta. Waiting for your answer, beta. How much will be the amount that will be transferred to P&L account by the bank as income? So someone is saying 14,500, another one is saying 15,500. Okay, still answers are different. Waiting for your answer. Rest of the student, please answer. Someone is saying, another one is saying 18,000. Okay, let's do it. So how much is the amount? Beta, first we shall record in this way. Discount income, discount on during the year discounted. How much is 17,000? So this was shifted from the last year. Please go to next year. It means this is the opening balance of rebate, opening balance of unaccrued income, that is rebate on bill discounted. This was shifted from the last year for the next year because this is the income for the current year. Current year. So this will be added to the current year income, of course, and it becomes how much? 18,000. But the closing balance, it means some of the income by calculation which are being shifted from to the next year because the bank will receive the amount after a certain period which will fall in the next year. It means closing balance of unaccrued income is also there in the current year. So closing balance of rebate is how much? That is 2,500. It means the income belongs to this year. The second year will be 15,500. So this will be transferred to P&L as an income. Please let me know, is this clear to you or not? All the students which were answering 14,500 or 18,000, please make me sure that you all are clear. Sir, अब तो question करा ही दो sir. Sir, please. I want to do question. Okay, don't worry. Okay, open book and go for the question number 13 first. First, we shall start question number 13. Question number 13. Please reach to question number 13 first. Okay, beta. 2 questions will be practiced for this topic. Don't worry. Even though time is short, but still I will try to do my best for you, beta. Sir, clear. Now one question will make it more clear. Yes, clear तो हो गया. लेकिन अब एक question. Yes, okay. So I am zooming the question. And I don't want to show you answer because in that case, in India, we know answer is, if we find the answer, then definitely we will calculate the answer. Please calculate rebate on BR discounted for 31st December 2001. Okay, beta, 2021. Following data, from the following data and show the journal entry. Okay. Beta, what we have to find out here, this type of questions are normally asked in the exam. Okay, beta? Please do carefully. Calculate rebate on bill discounted. It means unaccrued income. As at 31st December. Okay, beta? 31st December. It means year ending. It means we have to find out closing balance. Closing balance of rebate on bill discounted means another name is also there. Unexpired discount word is also used because the period of discount income has not fully expired in the current year. That is also another name. Unexpired discount is also called sometimes. Okay, beta? So first we have to find out the maturity date. Listen to me. If I say due date, then it also means maturity date for our question. If although both are different, but still in our ICA study material, when we say due date, then it also means mature. It means maturity date. Okay, beta. Those students who are watching at YouTube, still I couldn't get your love. But if you seriously loving the lecture, then please give your likes. Anyways, please calculate maturity date first. I am waiting for your answer, beta. How much is maturity amount? Should I do in this way? Yes. Okay. Another page I have to insert. Answer number. What is the answer number? That is answer number 13. Okay, ji. Okay. Answer number 13. Answer number 13. How you will answer in exam? In this way, beta. First one column is serial number. Second one column is amount. amount of bill. You can write here bill amount or amount of bill. Next column is duration, period for which bill was written, and then here will be date of bill. Date of bill, you know, in foundation you have learned writing date. Yes, if nothing given, then always assume on the same date accepted. So counting start from here. Date of bill, then maturity date. Maturity date. Beta, instead of writing the maturity date, I am writing here due date. Okay, beta, but it means maturity date. The calculation will be here and maturity date will be found here. And after that, we shall calculate the total discount. Then please make a column of total discount. Then prepare a column of period after period after period after 31st December. After 31st December 2001. And then you will find here closing rebate on bill discounted. Yes, beta ji. I hope all of you are clear. Now, please solve the question with me. First, write here statement showing calculation of closing balance of rebate on bills discounted. So first you write here serial number 1. Give one line space at least, 2, then 3, and then 4. Please present your answer in exam systematically in the proper manner so that you can get full marks. So now, please note down amount first. How much is amount? 25,000, 15,000. I think we should zoom. Then 20,000 and then 30,000. Period for which bill was drawn, that was months. 5 months, 4 months, 4 months, and then 3 months. Date of bill is 15th October 2021. Okay, beta? Okay. Wait a minute. That is 15 10 2021. It will be considered as 21. Okay, beta? Not 2001. X has been shown so that question can be applied according to the attempt. 10th November 2021, 25th November 2021, 20th December 2021. This is the date of drawing the bill, and if nothing said, then always assume bill was accepted on the drawing date. You know all the things which you have learned in foundation. Now, what is the due date? It means beta maturity date. That is maturity date. After adding 3 grace days. Okay, beta. So it was written in, such bill was written in October for 5 months. Now, when the bill is in month, then counting start month by month, finding the same date in the month. Okay, beta. 15 November, 15 December, 15 January, 15 February, 15 March. It means 15 March, and then beta, 3 grace days. 3 grace days. It means 18th March 2022. Now tell me our financial year. Now tell me our financial year. Okay, for in this question ending on December year, we have our year calendar year. Okay, beta. 18 March. Okay. Now find out another due date. Calculate fast. Fourth month, 10th November, 10th December, 10th January, February, and then March. So beta, 10th March, 10th March plus 3 grace days is equal to 13th March 2022. Next one is 25th November and 4 months. Okay, beta. 25th November. Okay, and 4 months. December, January, February, March. It means 25th March plus 3 grace days. 25th March plus 3 grace days is equal to 28th March 2022. Next one is 20th December and 3 months. It means January, February, March. 20th March plus 3 grace days, that is 23rd March 2022. Okay, beta. First, we have to find out the maturity date. Okay, beta. Now, what is the total discount income? Beta, of course, you will apply the percentage. How much is the percentage? Those are 8%. Okay, those are 8%. I am writing here. Skip the column. 7%, 7%, and 9%. Okay, if I write here total discount, it means 25,000 multiplied by, okay, give me exact amount, 25,000 multiplied by 8% into 5 divided by 12. It means total amount is there. How much? This will be total discount 8333.33 bar. Okay, next one is how much? Next bill is of how much amount? That is 15,000. 15,000 multiplied by 7% for second bill, multiplied by 4 divided by 12, that is 350. How it is possible? 25,000 multiplied by 8% into 5 divided by 12, it means 833. Okay, this is 833.33 bar. Okay, next one is beta, how much? 20,000 multiplied by 7% multiplied by 4 divided by 12. Percentages are always per annum if nothing is given. 466.66 bar. Okay, next one is, yes, there must be rounding. Yes, beta. Next one is how much? 30,000 multiplied by 9% multiplied by 3 divided by 12. That is 675. So I have written here total discount income, but those income which belongs to next year as are called rebate on bill discounted. Okay, beta, closing rebate on bill discounted, but that will be calculated on the period basis. So beta, how much is the period which fall in the next year after December? So countdown start. Beta, after 31st December, how much is the duration up to 18th March? tell me how many days are there which will fall after 31st December. See, January 31, since year is plus February 28 plus March 18 is equal to 18 plus 28 plus 31. It means 77 days are there. 77 days are there which will fall after 31st March. Sorry, 31st December. It means the total discount income 833, sorry, 833 will be accordingly proportionate. Okay, beta, will be proportionate accordingly. Okay, beta, multiplied by 77 days divided by how many days are there in a total duration, beta? We have to calculate. Can you please tell me calculation? Waiting for your answer, beta. How many days were there up to 18th March 2022 for which bill was drawn? October, 31st October minus 15. It means in October 16, October plus, okay, I am doing calculation here. Total duration for which bill was written October 16 plus November 30 plus December 31 plus January 31 plus February 28 plus March 18. So this was the total duration for the bill. Okay, beta, total days for the bill. How much is total days? Plus 16 plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 plus 28 plus 18. It means total 154 days were there for which bill was discounted. 154. Out of such, 77 days fall in the next year. It means the total income belongs to 154 days. So 833 multiplied by 77 divided by 154. It means 41. Wait a minute. Okay, you can do in this manner also. How much is bill amount? Bill amount is 25,000. 25,000 into 5% multiplied by 77 divided by 365. That will be shortcut, I think. Okay. Wait a minute. 18 March na 77 days. 25,000 multiplied by 8%. Okay, I am using 5%. Oh, that's the reason. Wait a minute. Beta, this is 8% and I am using 5%, I think. Okay. Okay. So beta, instead of doing in this way, you can also do in this way. This will be the shortcut for you. How? Bill is of 25,000 multiplied by 8% multiplied by 77 divided by 365. Okay, beta. In this way, you will find your answer in easy way. 422. Okay, that is rounded. Okay, beta. Next one. In the same way, for next, how much are the days after 31st December in case of second bill? Date are 31st March. Okay, 31st December. है ना? Okay, it means January 31 plus February 28 and then plus 13. How many days are there? 72 days. Okay. So what is the bill amount? Bill amount is 15,000. And what is the percentage applied to second bill? 7%. Multiplied by 72 divided by 365 days. How much is the amount? 15,000 multiplied by 7% multiplied by 72 divided by 365. That is 207.12. It means 207. Beta, tell me, are you clear or not in this point? Next one is for this. January plus February plus March, 28 days. It means how many days are total? 31 plus 28 plus 28. That is 82 days. It means on the third bill amount, which is 20,000, multiplied by what is the percentage? 7% also apply here, into 82 day divided by 365. So 20,000 multiplied by 7% into 82 divided by 365. How much is the amount? 3 again. Wait a minute. Okay, these are 87 days. These are 87 days. So for 87 days we have to calculate. Okay, so that is 334 rounding. Okay, beta. Next one is January plus February plus March is equal to 31 plus 28 plus 23. That is 82. How much bill amount? That is 30,000 multiplied by 9% multiplied by 82 divided by 365. 30,000 multiplied by 9% into 82 divided by 365. How much is the amount? 607. In this way, you should calculate in exam, beta, how much is total amount for closing rebate on bill discounted. That is okay. ठीक है राहुल, मिल गया 87 में. ठीक है ना? हाँ, वही गलती हो गई थी, कोई नहीं. हाउ मच इज टोटल अमाउंट? 7 और 4 11 और 7 18 और 2 20. ओके, 1570. Now, how will you record these? Beta, see, for saving time, I am showing you entry here. Beta, all the bills have been discounted in this way. In this way, you will represent your entry. From discount income, you have to debit and you have to credited to the unaccrued income. Okay, beta, rebate on bill discounted. Interest income, sorry, discount income debit to rebate on bill discounted. Okay. Oh, okay, let's practice one more question. One more question. Only then you will be able to complete the things in the proper manner. Question number 10. Please open question number 10. Do it fast. Question number 10. Practice fast, beta. Question number 10. Waiting for your reply. Are you ready? Are you ready, bacho? When ready, don't eat dosa. Leave dosa for some time. Okay, now see, beta, in this way examiner give you question. We are discounted. This is the extract of trial balance overseas bank. It is the bank name for 31st March 2021. So what is the year ending date? 31st March 2021. Okay, beta. Overall during the year, bill discounted account income was booked 12,64,000 and closing balance was there. Okay, wait a minute. This is the total bill amount. This is the total bill amount. When you say bill discounted and purchase account debit, this is the debit side and this is the credit side. This is the discount received account. So should we transfer all the things to P&L? No, not in this way. Okay, beta. So question is giving us all the things. Okay, do a correction in the question. Please cut this 2 from here and put this 2 along with this. This is 22,160. Okay, beta. 2 was shifted here by tabbing. So what I want to say you is, this is what? This is the closing balance or opening balance or rebate on bill discounted. I am waiting for your answer, beta. Tell me fast. Is this closing balance or opening? Who will tell me? This is the rebate on bill discounted? Yes, sir. This is opening or closing. 31st March 2000 is the date. हाँ, दो बिछड़ गया था राहुल, बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो, दो बिछड़ गया था, हमने मिला दिया. Okay, tell me fast. 31st March 2000. So this is opening rebate on bill discounted or closing rebate on bill discounted? Tell me, beta. Our financial year in this question is financial year 2000 to 2021, because ending date is 31st March 2021. This is our financial year. Very good. This is opening balance. Yes. So this is opening rebate on bill discounted. So this will be added. So if I want to ask you, beta, how much is the amount which will be transferred to P&L? So how will you answer? 105,708 plus opening rebate 22160 minus closing rebate. This will be amount to be transferred to P&L as income. Now we have to calculate the closing rebate, and that depends on the calculation what we have done in the earlier question. In the same way, we have to calculate the closing rebate from this table. This is the table. This is the bill amount. This is the due date. Due date means maturity date. This is the discounting rate. Okay, beta. Now we have to calculate only the days after the financial year end, 31st March 2021. After 2021, 31st March, how many days are there for which we have to create the provision? Can I calculate here? Yes. This is June 5. And after 31st March, how many days will be there? April 38 days, May 31 days, plus June 5. It means total days are there. How much? How many days are there? 66. 66 days are there for which we have to calculate provision on bill number 1. Okay, beta. Now, in case of 436,000 bill, June 12 is the maturity date, which is being here represented as due date. After 31st March 2021, how many days are there which will fall? Okay, beta. So, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 12 days. It means how many days are there? June 12, 73 days. Okay, beta. So for these days, we have to calculate closing reserve rebate on bill discounted. Next one is June 25. So April, May plus June 25 is equal to how much? How many days? 5 और 6, 86 days are there. In the same way, April, May, then June, then July. How many days are there? 6 और 7, 97 days are there. So, 97 days are there for which we have to calculate. So, waiting for an answer. Is this okay to you or not? Tell me, beta. Tell me fast. Is this okay to you or not? Clear for you or not? Tell me fast. Tell me fast, beta ji. Okay, only one student answered. This is okay. Tell me fast, beta. Sir, what we shall do now? Wait a minute. What we decided? First, go for the index, as I always prepare the index because of this reason. How many types of questions are there which we found, which we have to practice? Income recognition, and then sir कुछ गाना गाना शाना हो जाए. हाँ बिल्कुल राहुल, अभी होगा बस आधा घंटा और. बेटा वी हैव डिड first type of question, we have did second type of question. Now we are doing third type of questions. Okay beta, bills for collection is very simple. Okay beta, now I am coming to you with the next topic, that is bills for collection. So will you give us break? No beta, this doesn't need any break. Okay, this doesn't need any break, otherwise I will definitely give you break. Okay beta, now see, another type of service which bank is offering here is bills for collection. So this is not the BR discounted, this is the bills handed over to bank, that please bank go on the due date and collect the amount and credit in my account. Okay Rahul, this is, that is homework, that is your homework. Now this is I know you all can do this. Okay, so please do all the question related to these topics. Should I tell you all the question related to this topic? Yes. Okay, I am telling you what are the question number for your homework related to this topic. I am giving you question. Okay beta, question number 10 we have done. Yes, please note down the homework for the BR discounted. After that we shall do this. Homework is there. Question number 11, question number 12, 13 and 10 we have already covered. Question number, okay, question number 14 please take for homework, because the topic which we are doing now, bills for collection, that belongs to that. Okay beta, question number 15, sorry 14, question number 15, bills for collection. Okay beta, question number 16 also, these belongs to bills for collection, which we are doing here. You will see, we shall cover all the question in class, don't worry, in this way. Okay beta, question number 26 also belongs to bills for collection. Question number 27 belongs to, this is the BR discounted part for homework, and what we are doing here is for this bills for collection, acceptance, etc. Before below this homework belongs to different part. Okay beta, so this is question number 27. Yes, one more thing I want to tell you beta before starting bills for collection. Beta, I have covered past examination questions also in this PDF. So if you will do this PDF only, then definitely you will cover past examination questions also. See, all study material question, after all study material questions, I have also arranged past examination question of last 5 years. So you need not to flip any page, or you need not to see any other book except this PDF which I have arranged for you beta. Okay beta, so past 5 years examination question along with solutions, along with updated solutions are also here for you beta. So please take this seriously. Now I am moving to the small topic, that is bills for collection, that is bills for collection. And please I will request you all that please give whatever feedback you have about my classes, please give your feedback to respected ICI. Okay beta, now coming to this point. So this is not the topic of BR discounted, this is the bills handed over to bank for the collection. It means bank will not credit this amount at the same time. Bank will, on the maturity date, bank will go to the drawing. Okay beta, and bank will hand it over this bill to drawing on the maturity date, and bank will collect and credit amount to the customer account 1 lakh. That's another thing. For this service, he usually charges is a nominal amount, not the interest. Okay, beta? Like local rent, all the things are also there for which bank usually charge normal nominal amount. Okay, beta? Now, are you ready for this topic? Please tell me, beta. I'm waiting for your answer because I don't think so. Students are ready. I think students are taking rest. Beta, waiting for your reply. Only then we shall proceed further. Tell me something, beta ji. Okay, yes, you are ready, ji. Yes. Now, up to the time this bill is collected, which have been received by bank for collection, how the accounting is done? Beta, see, these are not the bill which have been discounted. So for bank, these bills plays a role in the balance sheet as an assets and liability also. The bills for collection are recorded in both of the side. Suppose if customer has given 1 lakh bill, 1 lakh rupees bill, handed over 1 lakh rupees BR, that bank please go and please go on the due date and recover the amount and credit in my account. Okay. So to that time, up to that time, bank will show these things in both of the side, assets and liability, because neither the assets is there for bank, neither nor the liability. But it means bank should not record. It is like a debenture suspense account. We have learned in the uh, foundation debentures given as a collateral security. Do you remember? Either don't entry or and do entry on both the side. In the same way, this is recorded, and this is recorded in this way. It means bank has to open two accounts. One account is there, that is called bills for collection liability account. That is called bills for collection liability account, and another side it is called bills for collection assets account. Both of these accounts are opened. Both of these accounts are opened by bank in its own book. Okay, beta. See, if it is just like memorandum books, okay, beta, both the both the accounts are open. If customer has handed over to bank or 1 lakh bill, the bank will record bills for collection assets account debit to bills for collection. I am using here word BOC. BOC means bills for collection. So bank will record in this way: bills for collection assets account debit to bills for collection liability. Okay, beta. So in the case of assets account, what we shall do? To bills for collection liability. In the liability account, what we shall do? Bills for collection assets 1 lakh rupees. So what the entry will be? General entry will be for this laser posting. What will be the entry for this laser posting? Beta ji, tell me. Can you tell me? Yes, sir. Sir, this is very simple. Very simple. Very simple. You can do in this way: bills for collection assets account debit to bills for collection liability account 1 lakh. Very simple. Very simple. It is very simple. Yes, beta ji. Now, beta, because this is in notes to accounts, content liabilities are shown, but these are not for our content for us. These are nominal for us. The assets which have been handed over by your friend to you, is neither your assets nor your liability. So either you will not record. Otherwise, if you will record in debit side, then you have to record on the credit side also. Okay, beta? Yes. Yes, beta Rahul. Very good. Okay, Prabhas. Is your doubt clear, beta? Yes. Now please see. On the due date, if bills was collected, or bill was dishonored, bank will say whatever the amount is there, whether it was collected or whether it was dishonored, bank will cut the name of the bills which was handed over to him. If that was collected, then this will be handed over to the drawing and the amount will be deposited in the customer account. If this are dishonor, then that will be handed over to the customer bank. Okay, beta. In that case, only bank has to cancel the entry. Bus only. What bank has to record? Bills which was received for collection, cancelled. Bills for collection, liability account debit. Two. Bills for collection. Only you have to cut the name from your register. These are neither your asset nor your liability, but you have to record. Then you have to record on the both side. And after that, on the due date, you are not the person who is enjoying this amount. This is the person that is drawer. Okay, beta. If amount is collected, then you will delete these entries. If amount is dishonored, then also you will delete entry because those settlement has been done. Whatever the settlement will be there, only you have to remove the things from here. Okay, beta. Then bills for what entry you will do here? Bills for collection, liability account debit. 2. Bills for collection, assets. Oh, these are like memorandum register only, and you have to maintain the record only. And when something happen, then from the record the data is deleted in the same way you are recording here. Okay. Is this clear to you? Tell me fast, bacho. I am waiting for your answer. Please tell me. Where? Beta, please tell me. I am waiting for your answer. This is shown on the in the footnote of balance sheet. Okay, beta, not in the balance sheet. These were shown only just to make you clear. Okay, beta. I hope all of you are clear. Sir, एक क्वेश्चन हो जाए. क्या बात कर दी सर? हो ही जाए, बस एक क्वेश्चन हो ही जाए सर. एक क्वेश्चन must be there. Okay. If you are saying, then definitely. Okay, let's do a question. Bills for collection. A question must be practiced. Only then you will get full clearance. Yes. Please open question number 14 and 15. First, open question number 14 and 15. Okay. Question number 14 and 15. कितना सिंपल इसका, कितना सिंपल इसका सर ने बनाया. जी करे पढ़ता रहे. वाह. स्टूडेंट हैज गिवन ए सॉन्ग. कितना सिंपल इसे सर ने बनाया, जी करे सुन पढ़ता रहूं. वेरी गुड राहुल, मजा आ गया कसम से. Sir, it is cancel or dishonor case. Yes, beta, in all the cases. But sir, it means there is no effect. Yes, beta, actually no effect is there. So, see, in this question, you will get all the answer. Question number 14 and question number 15. Don't worry, and don't worry. See, question number 14. On April 1st, 2021, opening balance of bills for collection was 7 lakh. It means in the assets and in the liability, both side, you are having the balance. Okay, beta? 7 lakh and 7 lakh. Opening balances were there. These are the memorandum records. Next, during 2021 to 22. Bills for collection amounting to rupees received. Bills received. Bills were handed over. Okay, beta. How much? 64.5. It means you will record on both of the side, asset side and liability side. Asset side and liability side. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Bills collected, bills dishonored. We don't need to tension. We don't need to take tension. Only we have to cancel. And we have to remove the records. Okay, beta. Whether it was cancelled, whether it was dishonored, whether it was recovered. Okay. Now he's saying that bills were collected 47 lakh. Okay. We are removing 47 lakh from our record. The collection is your, dishonor is your, not our. We are removing just record. Bills dishonored. Oh my God. We don't need to take tension. Okay, bill dishonored. Then our both contra accounts have been removed. What are the bill still with us for which we have to maintain records? Very, very simple. Very, very simple. It is what? This is closing balance. This is the bill for which we have to carry the records which have been handed over to us. Please tell me fast, beta. Is there any problem? Is this clear to you all, beta? Waiting for your answer, beta ji. क्या कह रहे हो? हम सो रहे हैं? नहीं नहीं बेटे, ऐसे नहीं करो, प्लीज मत सो. Is this okay? Now please do homework. I am without doing the question 15 and further, I am just opening the class because I have to go for the office also. Okay, so beta, in the next class, what we shall do? First, we have to do target. Come on, what we have to do in the next class? Type of questions. Beta, we have done all these things, this one and this one also. Now we shall do questions of financial statements. Very, very clear, sir. Okay, beta. What we shall do here is, in the next class, see, these are very, very important. Listen to me very carefully. So I will utilize my time on the important part, which usually comes to your exam. Usually, balance sheet is normally asked in exam. Normally, usually. Okay, these are the very, very important part. You will also see the past examination question I have given you all in the PDF. Normally, questions are usually asked on this topic. So, in the next class, first I shall cover P&L account, and then in the balance sheet notes to accounts, this ratio is calculated with the updated percentage. Sir, is there any further homework for us? Yes, yes. And what is the homework? Beta, please read Schedule 3. Schedule 3, sir, Schedule 3 Companies Act 2013. No, beta, in this act also, Schedule number 3 has been given. Okay. So we have to understand the balance sheet format, financial statement format. Okay, beta. So what is your homework? Your homework is that you have to understand all the schedules here. Beta, see, 13, 14, 15, 16, you have already covered. Okay. These are extra schedule which are part of notes to accounts. Okay, beta. Siddharth, I will cover. Don't worry. Next, beta, see, starting 5 schedule belongs to liability side. Liability side. This is the balance sheet part. Liability side. And now next, this is what next 6 are asset side. I will give an overview regarding the assets, and first I shall focus on the P&L account question, which usually comes to your exam, and then a single question will be done for the balance sheet part only, and after that we shall move further towards the notes to accounts part, which is ratio. Okay, beta, that is capital adequacy ratio, etc. So in the next class we shall cover the banking chapter fully. Okay, beta. Since the time limitation is there, at least 6 to 7 lectures normally we takes in the regular normal lectures, but still do, I will cover all the things in the next class, but with some limitation of practice. If you like, then please give your feedback to ICI. Okay, bacho, bye bye. Sir, what kind of theory question will we get from this chapter? Beta, I have covered most important theory in the class, but still, you please, if you want to do, then you can read all the theory part in the starting. Although I have usually told you all the things except one thing, that is repo rate, reverse repo rate, which will be definitely told you in the next class. Repo rate, reverse repo rate, bank rate. These are the theory which will be covered with you all in the next class. Okay, beta. Only that theory is pending. Rest all are here. You please give a plain reading. I have informed you already that in the unit 1, you have these type of theory. You have these type of theory for which I told you in the layman language. Only these are the things which you should read from the book. Okay, bachcho. Bye bye. See you in next class. Bye bye, bachcho.